In this video, I will show you how to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal in 2023. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your mobile device. And then, go to google.com and search the following. Transfer Bay. Once you find it, click on the link that says transferbay.org. Once the website has loaded, type in the details that you need here. Your card code, your email, and then the balance. Don't forget to accept the cookies. Once done, all you gotta do right now is click on the button that says transfer. But remember, there is a 3% fee on transactions higher than 25 euros. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.